Hello, sir. So
Yes.
my question is, am I audible
Yeah.
right
Yes.
now?
You are very much audible.
So my question is,
Yes.
सर जैसे चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स थे जो रेगुलर यूज में जैसे टॉयज हो गए या कंटेनर्स वगैरह हो गए चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स थे। अब चाइना की तो इमेज आपने बताया इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में खराब हो गई है। वो इंडिया में किस तरीके से शिफ्ट होगी? बिकॉज मेरा भी प्रोडक्ट उसी पे बेस्ड है, हम लोगों का रेगुलर कंटेनर्स का ही काम है, प्लास्टिक कंटेनर्स का।
Correct. Correct.
तो उसको कैसे बेनिफिटेड पहुंचाएं?
See, if you talk in terms of practicality, I would say that since, as I told you in my presentation also, that in spite of everything, the growth of India and China is going to have a major impact on the international economy. So you cannot actually rule out completely China. It is not going to happen. But at least in the near future, you are going to have tough time in terms of if you are sourcing goods from China. So one of the my take on this would be that at least for some time, at least for 1 or 2 years, you will see that unless situation becomes better, and it cannot become better very fast actually. So you should consider sourcing your goods from ASEAN countries or from Vietnam or from countries which are competitor to China, and they are able to produce similar types of goods.
Sir, actually my
Yes,
products
yes, yes,
actually
please.
my products are made in India. They all
Okay,
are made in India.
okay,
So
okay.
how would I internationalize? How would I market it on international market? My question is this.
No, as I can understand from what you are asking, probably I thought that so you are either importing or you are an exporter of the Indian goods. So is it that
Sir,
you? Yeah.
actually we are manufacturer of that goods,
Hmm.
and now we are going step into the international market.
Okay,
We want to
okay,
get into this.
okay, okay. So this is as it is very clear that you have at least a window of 2 3 years going forward, where you are going to make a very good headway in the international market, because I myself, I'm running my institute, which is EBZ Institute of IB and Entrepreneurship, and there is a lot of engagement of me with different universities in the world, and to my surprise, I find that they are very much interested to join hands with Indian educational outfits and education portals. So it is very surprising. So if you now try, as per my understanding, with the different countries, you will find that they are very much positive about the Indian manufacturers. They are very positive about the Indian products, and they are going to, very importantly, they are going to hold hands with you. That is very important. Actually, one my suggestion. I'm just taking your permission to share this particular point here. Very important thing is to benefit from this situation at fast benefit from this situation is to join hands with the marketing companies in Western countries. Now is the time that you join hands with very good quality, well established marketing companies which are willing to join hands with Indian manufacturers and scale up your manufacturing. Focus on your manufacturing rather than on the marketing part. Leave the marketing part to your partners in US, in European countries, and many other places, including some other markets which you can think of, depending on where you want to export, even African countries. So even if you are marketing to African countries, for example, in a country like Kenya, which is very much biased towards European countries, you can still benefit from your partnership with marketing partnership with some European marketers. So this is my suggestion. If you can focus on your manufacturing, that is the need of the hour. This is my view on this.
So this is aligned with Radhika question actually.
Yeah, yeah.
In this COVID scenario,
You are not
India versus this.
you are not very much audible. Can you speak a little louder? And
One second, please.
yeah,
1 second. My voice is. 1 second.
yes,
I'll increase it.
yeah,
So now is the audible one?
yeah. Please,
Is
please.
it now audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Sir, in this present scenario, the India versus Chinese this economical war.
Mhm.
So what do you feel the next phase of it? Because lot of we have depend lot of RM from them.
Mhm.
but which we cannot source as like you say the Asian country. But what will be the solution for this? Sir? Because it's not in house also.
Yeah.
So
So I
need
think,
your suggestions.
so what I've understood from your question, you're talking about the India versus China thing is that, like, even if there are orders, can we really fulfill those orders in like
Right.
China does? Because the scale of manufacturing in China is very large. This has been a very major weakness in India before COVID happened. And as per my information, as I know, I am in touch with some very big companies in Noida, my area, Delhi NCR. I find that in what they have done, they have very major plans to scale up their production to the level of the methods used by Chinese companies. And this they are not doing, as I told you in my past answer also. This they are not doing in the space. What they are trying to do is they are trying to tie up with large importers in US and other countries, and they are getting some kind of MOUs and some kind of partnership and some kind of even investments in scaling up. And it is happening. Actually, it is happening. So there are plans to scale up the production to very similar levels of what China does, and these companies are willing to partner, and some companies are even willing to invest money in India. So I think if you compare, if you are absolutely right that this weakness still remains with many of the companies, and in fact, majority of the small exporters will find this problem again, that they are not able to satisfy the quantitative requirement of the importers in many of these countries. So this is the time to scale up and think on those lines, how to find this solution. The solution remains in your own factories, it remains in your own home actually, how you find the solutions if you tie up with people, how you ensure that the scaling up will benefit actually. So it is already happening, and you have to find the solution depending on what is your product and which domain you are working. So this is my view. This is my view, as I understand.
Okay, thank you.
So I think
Thank you.